Welcome back to Snack Time with Miss B. Today we're going to make yogurt parfaits. Not one, not two, but 3 different types. You can try one or you can make all 3 and let me know which one you like the best. The first one is called Tropical Delight. The second one is Cheeky Monkey. And the third one is Apple Pie. Let's get started. Remember to wash your hands before you start preparing food. You will also need to wash your apple. For the first recipe, we are going to make Tropical Delight. For that one, the ingredients you will need are yogurt, pineapple. You can cut it yourself, but I would recommend asking an adult for help because it can be tricky. You can also use canned pineapple if you'd like. Fine coconut or shredded coconut, some sort of coconut. And chia seeds. Or you can use any other type of seeds you might have. These are poppy seeds and these are flax seeds. The second recipe is called Cheeky Monkey. And for that one, again, you'll need some yogurt. You'll need some chocolate, any type of chocolate will do. A banana, and some peanut butter. The third recipe is apple pie. Again, you'll need some yogurt, some oats, ground cinnamon, an apple, and some type of nuts. I have walnuts and almonds. I think I'll use the walnuts today, but you can use any type of nuts you like. Okay, let's get started. For the first one, I think we will make Tropical Delight. So, I need a cutting board and a knife. Remember to ask a grown-up for help before you use a knife. And I'm going to do them in these clear containers so that you can see a little better. So start with your yogurt. You just want to put a few scoops in the bottom. You can put more if you're hungry or just do a small container if you just want a small snack. Okay, so start with the yogurt in the bottom. Then I'm going to take my pineapple and add a few pieces of pineapple to the yogurt. I'm going to do about 7 pieces, like that. Then the next thing I want is some shredded coconut. And this one's not open yet, but this one is. I have some in this milk jug. So just shake a little bit on top. You don't need too much, but if you like coconut, you can put more. It's a little hard to see because it's white. And finally, I'm going to add some chia seeds. So you can take a spoon, use this one because it's dry, but I just want about half of a big spoon like this. About that much. And you can sprinkle it on top. Actually, this is a little bit too much. So you can see as you're going how much you think you need. And there we have it. This is our first one, Tropical Delight. For our next parfait, let's make the Cheeky Monkey. So again, you'll need a few scoops of yogurt. 1, 2, 3, I think that's enough. But like I said, if you want more, you can. But I'm gonna have a lot of yogurt here. All right, the next thing you need is your banana. So first you can peel it. And you can cut it into slices. And put your banana in your yogurt. banana. And after that, you're going to add some peanut butter. So take a scoop of peanut butter and you can add it in on top. It might be a bit of a blob, but when you mix it in, then you'll have the peanut butter mixed throughout. Okay. And last, you're going to take some chocolate. A little bit left. This chocolate has nuts in it, but you can use any chocolate. And cut your chocolate into pieces, and it might shred, that's okay. You might need to ask a grown-up for help to cut the chocolate because it's pretty hard. Just be careful. Keep your fingers out of the way. Okay. And then you can add the chocolate on top. You want all that chocolate. We don't want to waste any. Yum. Doesn't that look good? That's your cheeky monkey parfait. And last but not least, let's make our apple pie parfait. So, you know the drill by now. Start with the yogurt. Okay. Next, you'll take your apple. And we're going to cut it. My knife is getting dirty. Okay, so cut off some pieces of your apple. We'll start with that and see how that goes. Again, remember to ask a grown-up for help while you're cutting. Cut it into small pieces like this, little cubes. And we can add some apple to the parfait. You might not need this much, I cut a lot. I think that's enough. So put your apple on the yogurt. Then we're going to cut some nuts. And I'm going to use walnuts, but you can use any nuts you want. Just a few. Just chop them into small pieces. Some pieces might be bigger than others, but that's okay. Add it on top, sprinkle it in. Nuts are very healthy for you, nice healthy fats. There we go. And last but not least, it's time to add some cinnamon. Okay, so I have some ground cinnamon here. And cinnamon is a very strong flavor, so you don't want to add very much, just a tiny little bit. So it's best to put it on a spoon first so you don't accidentally put in too much because it's a really strong flavor. So I think that's enough, like that. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. Oh, and I almost forgot some oats. So for the oats, we'll use about a spoonful. It's going to get stuck. And oats, there we go. you have it. That's our apple pie parfait. I hope you enjoyed making these healthy treats today. You can just make one if those are the ingredients you have on hand, or you can try all three. If you do, let me know which one is your favorite. Enjoy!